and helping to awaken the communities within all of our hearts, the communities for all of us to be free and unleashed and joyful.
It's happening.
Communities in all of us to come together, to hold ourselves in our power, in our light, in our love, in our magic, in our pristineness, in our bliss. Holding our communities that we are together, expanding. We are united. Each of us are united. Each and every one of us are united and loved, and love and see and be seen, are seen. And capable, like beyond capable. We are breaking through the old stories of capability and unleashing an incredible new magic, incredible powers. Unleashing our new future is now. Our new future is now. Our new future is now.
Our new
The new future is
Our new
now.
future is now.
We've saved this planet and it is gorgeously ignited with life and prana because of Laura Prince. She's communed and made her life shine to all of us in her community. She brings us together. Mother Earth is restored and renewed and revitalized.
We are one.
We are now.